Alright, YouTubers, I'm back. I got the sink ready. I'm gonna put some warm water in here. And this is a DIY fix it. This is the unit right here. And since I already done took it loose, I said before I put it back, be best to go ahead and clean it. So what I'm doing is I'm cleaning it up. I didn't want to take too much of it loose. Even though I can use the video for a reference in case I don't forget how to put it back together. And I'm also using just a little Dawn detergent. Go a long way. And sometimes it's good to fix it on your own. That's how you learn. Oh yeah. Let that soak a little bit. Be right back. Let me get a towel. And this is my little culprit right here. This is the problem. So I decided to clean them up a little bit. This right here, put this down in here a little bit to get the dirt, corrosion, and rust out of there. Couple of Q-tips. See where I've been using them. WD air, can of air. Make sure you have on glasses when you're using that air. And also don't use this air because it might, you might get freezer burn. So I wore some gloves with that. Alcohol, try to get closest to 100%. That way you know it ain't got water in it. So the closer to the number to 100 would be better. But I got 91, so that's not bad. It dries quicker. Use this screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, to get down in there. I don't know if you are able to see that or not, but it was, yeah, it was let's see. Yeah, it was real rusty down in that area right there. So, got that clean. Stuck this down there and cleaned it out. Like I said, I'm doing this out. I shouldn't be doing it like this, but took a little out. Clean that out that way. Then tuck some alcohol, put it down in the unit like this. Then took me a little WD. Because, you know, it's good with electrical parts. You ain't got to worry about that. Let that soak in there. And I'm going to get the housing part. Let me get that cleaned up right now. And I'll get right back with you.